Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share one animation. I did a short film. It was done in one day, just 1 minute, and it was done with Monster Clay. I have used Monster Clay to create many sculptures in this channel, and I was wondering, can I do a short film? I have to say that I wanted to participate on a festival. It had to be 1 minute long, but I didn't have time. So I had to do it in one day, everything. The story, the character, the background, the props, everything, the edition part, everything in one day. And if you have ever worked on that, that could be really challenging. Actually, I did another one of Pinocchio that not a lot of people have seen that. If you want something more stop motion related, you can check that out. But the important thing with this short film is that I try. I didn't like it. I didn't participate, but I'm gonna show it to you. So let's see it. And just before that, comment below if you think you know what is the story about. So let's see.
Mm.
So I warn you, it wasn't perfect, not the best, but I enjoyed doing it. I really enjoyed doing it. Yes, I didn't like it. I wanted to do so much more. But the point of this video is to try to encourage you. If you like stop motion, if you have ever want to do some animation, you can use clay, you can use paper, you can use cardboard. Anything can be a stop motion animation. This clay, Monster Clay, is not really the cheapest, but it's just amazing. If you can find the bucket, it's cheaper. I went to the craft store and I wanted to get another bucket like 2 months ago, but I saw that it comes in a new package. There is a box and it was like twice the price. That's just insane. And now that I lost my job, probably I'm not gonna do it. But definitely it's amazing because you can create your character, you can melt it or give him a little bit of hit, you'll be able to move everything. You don't need to have an armature. You can completely pause and do everything you want. Just to talk about it right now, I'm kind of excited. I think I want to create a character that is was going to be more detailed. It's going to maybe do better movement. That would be amazing. If you like to see something like that, give me some like, give me some hypes. Maybe I think I will do it. You know what? Now I'm thinking. No, my brain always flies away and think about so many ideas. And think I want to do a kind of longer and better short film. It just takes so much time. If you want to see that, subscribe. Probably it's going to take a little bit of time, but if you like animation, you like stop motion, you like art, there's a 3D printing and a sculpting channel. So enjoy art, subscribe, and see you next time. And I forget to mention what is the story about. So technically, it's just about a dad. And he wake up in this world. He's not sure, but he's kind of hearing the voice of his daughter. So he tries to chase. And before he gets to her, he understands and realizes that he's dead. His daughter is close to his tombstone and he's not going to be able to say goodbye.